There's a lot of gluten-free breads out there, but many of them are not vegan, and a lot of them are not cheap. So I'm taking matters into my own hands, and I'm making an artisan-style bread that is both vegan and gluten-free. Let's get baking. First, let's combine 2 1/4 teaspoons of our dry active yeast into a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Next, let's heat up some water to get it at a good temperature for the yeast. I think 100 to 110 is good. Then add 2 cups of the water to the bowl and whisk for just a minute or two. In a large bowl, combine 3½ cups of all-purpose gluten-free flour. To that, we'll add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of xanthan gum. Let's give that a quick whisk. Next, add 6 tablespoons of Just Egg. Or you can use any liquid egg replacer that you prefer, as long as it equals about 2 eggs. Then we'll add 1½ teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Now that the yeast is looking nice and foamy, we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients and stir with a wooden spoon until completely combined. Next, we'll just cover the bowl with a towel and let it rise for a bit, just about 45 to 50 minutes. Preheat the oven to 450 and prep for baking. So about 15 to 20 minutes into proofing, you're gonna put your pan into the oven to get it nice and hot. I'm going to use a cast iron pan. When the dough is ready, carefully line the hot pan with parchment paper larger than the pan and sprinkle on just a little bit of flour. Next, we'll just scoop the dough out into the pan and form it into a ball as best as you can. I personally like it to look rustic, so I'm not too worried about getting a perfect shape. Lightly fold the parchment paper around the dough. And now let's place it into the oven and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes until golden brown. I prefer to let it cool, but freshly baked warm bread is also amazing, so slice into it whenever you want and enjoy. So that's it, a gluten-free bread that requires no kneading, no dairy, and no gluten. Thanks for watching. See ya.